Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to private featured photos on Facebook. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open Facebook on your Android and iOS, and then you need to tap on your profile image at the top right here. Then again tap on your name and this will open up your Facebook profile. So if you scroll down here you can see that we have this featured photos here. So if I just tap on this one and tap on these three dots, you can see that I don't have any option to private these. Okay, so in order to make this private, just go back here and scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings and scroll down a little bit and tap on stories here, and then tap on story privacy here. And now here you can see that I have set this privacy of my story to public here. So there is no only me option here. You can just select your friends here, or you can select custom people, like you can choose persons that you only want to share your story with. Okay, so I will just choose this one, this person here, and if I come back here, now my stories will just be shared with this person here. So basically that how you can private your featured photos on Facebook. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.